Here's something that might shock you. Right now, at this very moment, your body is aging faster than it should be. Not because of genetics, not because of some disease, but because of 5 simple movements you stopped doing. And the scary part? Most people don't even realize it's happening until it's almost too late. But here's the good news. You can reverse it. Starting today, stay with me, because what I'm about to show you could literally add years of strength, freedom, and independence back into your life. Let me ask you something. Do you remember the last time you felt truly strong? I mean, really strong. Confident. Steady on your feet. The kind of strong where getting up from a chair didn't require a little push. Where walking upstairs felt effortless. Where you didn't think twice about bending down to pick something up. For most people over 60, that feeling is just a memory now. And here's why. Your body is losing muscle. Every single day. It's called sarcopenia, and it starts around age 30. But after 60, it accelerates. Fast. And if you're spending hours sitting every day, barely moving those muscles, it happens even faster. But here's what terrifies me the most. Most people think it's just aging, that it's normal, that there's nothing you can do about it. That's a lie. Because the truth is, you're not weak because you're old. You're weak because you stopped moving in the ways your body was designed to move. Think about it. When was the last time you pushed something heavy, lifted something overhead, stood up without using your hands? Your muscles aren't broken. They're just forgotten. And the scary part? The longer you wait, the harder it becomes to get that strength back. But here's where it gets interesting. There are 5 specific movements that can reverse this entire process. 5 exercises that rebuild the exact muscles you've been losing. And the best part? You don't need a gym. You don't need equipment. You don't even need to leave your house. Sound too good to be true? Stay with me, because I'm about to prove it to you. Let's start with the most important one. It's called the sit to stand. And I know what you're thinking. That's just standing up. Exactly. But here's the thing. This one movement trains every single muscle you need for independence. Your thighs, your glutes, your core, the muscles that let you get up from a chair, get off the toilet, stand up from your bed. Without these muscles, you lose your freedom. Here's how you do it. Sit on a sturdy chair, feet hip-width apart. Cross your arms over your chest. Now, push through your feet, stand up tall, and slowly sit back down. That's it. But don't rush it. Control is everything here. Do 10 slow repetitions. And I promise you, within 2 weeks, standing up will feel completely different. But here's where it gets even better. The second movement might seem simple, but it's saving people from falls every single day. Calf raises. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart. If you need support, hold on to a wall or chair. Now, lift your heels, rise up onto your toes. Pause for 1 second, and lower back down. You'll feel it in your calves, your ankles. And here's why this matters so much. Your calves absorb impact with every step you take. They stabilize your ankles. They keep you balanced on uneven ground. Weak calves? That's how people fall. Strong calves? That's how people stay independent. Do 10 controlled repetitions. And trust me, you'll feel the difference the next time you walk. But wait until you hear about the third movement. This one builds strength you didn't even know you were missing. Wall press-ups. Stand arm's length from a wall. Place your hands flat at shoulder height. Now, bend your elbows. Bring your chest toward the wall, keeping your body straight, and push back up. You're working your chest, your shoulders, your triceps. But here's what most people don't realize. This movement trains the exact strength you need to push yourself up from the floor, to open heavy doors, to support yourself when you stand. It's not just an exercise. It's survival strength. Do 10 repetitions, slow and steady. And here's the crazy part. After just 1 week, you'll notice your posture improving. But the fourth movement? This one's a game changer. Here's something most people lose without even realizing it. The ability to lift things overhead, putting groceries away, reaching for something on a shelf, even just raising your arms above your head. That's where the overhead press comes in. Stand or sit upright. Hold light weights, or even just 2 water bottles. Bring your hands to shoulder height and push them overhead until your arms are straight. Then lower them back down slowly. You're working your shoulders, your upper back, your arms. And over time, you'll notice something amazing. Your shoulders feel lighter, more mobile, less stiff. Do 10 repetitions, smooth and controlled. And now, the 5th movement. This one ties everything together. The last movement is the one that changes everything. The step back lunge. Stand tall. Take a step back with one leg, bending both knees slightly. Push through your front foot to return to standing. Then switch legs. If you need support, hold onto a chair or wall. Here's why this one matters so much. Lunges train your balance, your coordination, your leg strength. They mimic the exact movements you do every single day. Climbing stairs, stepping over obstacles, getting up from the floor. And here's the truth. If you can't lunge, you can't move freely. Do 5 lunges on each leg. And now, let me show you how to put all 5 together. Here's your daily routine. 10 sit-to-stands, 10 calf raises, 10 wall press-ups, 10 overhead presses, 5 lunges on each leg. Rest for 30 seconds. Then repeat the entire circuit 2 to 3 times. That's it. 5 to 10 minutes a day. And in just 2 weeks, you'll start feeling stronger, steadier, more confident. Your body will remember what it felt like to move freely again. Because here's the truth. You're not weak because you're old. You're weak because you stopped moving. And the moment you start again, everything changes. So here's my challenge to you. Try this routine, just once, and pay attention to how you feel. Because the truth is, you're stronger than you think. You just need to remind your body of that. Start today, move with purpose, and take back the strength you thought you'd lost forever. You've got this. Now go prove it to yourself.